Hi everyone, you're watching Bizzi Art and I'll make another variation of a paper plane in this video. So I'll start off by folding my paper in half lengthways, unfold and then pick a side and fold two of the corners in towards the middle crease. Use these outside edges to fold towards the centre crease once more. I'll then make a valley fold with the tip of the plane. This will go up to about a third. And I'll flip over to the other side, fold this in half lengthways, and then I can fold the wings down. To do that, I'll take the upper edge and I'll lay this against the bottom edge to form that wing shape. Open up and get ready to fly.
Hi, it's Isabella from Bizzi Art here. If you enjoyed this video, or you want to learn more about origami paper, or if you're looking for origami paper to build on your stash, come check out my website. I've got the link in the description down below. Have fun!